This is Mattias from Saplo or Saplo. Saplo.
So this is pressing, so it's somewhat different. But so I'm Mattias Tyrberg from Saplo, and we're a Swedish firm based in Malmö and doing text analytics. So for those of you guys who don't know us, please check out our Twitter account or our webpage later on. But I will first go into some of the details what we are doing. So what we are building is actually a text analytics platform. So we are not here to sell you something as service. We are here to talk to people that want to build services upon our technologies. So I will shortly go through them. We do have entity tagging, and our technology is kind of language independent. So right now we have Swedish, English. We can look into new languages as well. We do have related articles. Right now it's used by newspapers to find more interesting content, but it could be used for search engines, for example, as well. We also have something we call contextual matching, and of course it could be used for contextual advertising. So instead of using only keywords, you can understand the context and the meaning of the context, and that's a huge difference between using keywords. And obviously, while we're here, we have sentiment analysis. And I think in the way we do sentiment analysis, how we differ is that we can personalize to your brand. So it's you give feedback saying this is what I feel is positive or negative, and then we adapt to that brand. So really shortly, I will say that we have an API. So that's the main reason why we're here. We have an API. We want to make people wanting to build stuff from our API. And we're looking for media monitoring services, we're looking for CRM system and so on, wanting to integrate. And just to demonstrate what you can do, we have built a demo site called trending.name. It's up and running. So
Trending.name.
And it shows you the most popular persons in US media today based on sentiment. So the question we had is like, is it possible to get some information out there from all news sites around US? And I think we got some really interesting results. But is there anyone in the audience wanting to guess who could be in the top 10 list? Most positive person in US media? Don't be shy. No one? This is the results from last week, but you can go in and the webpage and see what's happening today. So, Al Gore is a person that's obviously a lot of, he stayed on the top list the last few weeks.
What the? What?
And there are a few things that,
what?
If you look at the bottom part of the list, there are a few people you don't want to meet in a dark alley. So it's, I think right now, Osama bin Laden is like...
not in the dark alley, yes. Not in the dark alley.
There are some funny stuff with it. I think the interesting part here is that it actually says something. You have a large data set and you can build stuff out of it. And just shortly what we did. We made entity extraction from a large amount of US media sites, and then we made sentiment analysis on it. So it's quite easy mock-up, and what we believe is that you can build valuable services to integrate different types of technologies. So, just to sum up, I believe that if you have a large amount of data, you could build very interesting services. You can get more information, because this was just a fun demo, but you can actually get valuable information by getting this information out of it. So please visit our webpage or trending.name and give us feedback. And I will be here all day, so thank you for listening.
Okay.